side, rolling through the night.
Cool, right? Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own Donald Trump song in merely seconds. And yes, we'll be using AI. So let's go. So first of all, click the link in the description and let's go to Suno. It is an amazing free-to-use AI music generator. After you've signed in or up, click on Create. Now here we can simply write a prompt and a song will be created. So let's write, in this case, create a Donald Trump song, and now press Create. Now it will generate 2 versions, and it is really quick. We can already listen to one of the songs within a few seconds. Let's listen to the first one.
Golden towers rise to the sky so high. Big hands crafting deals, no alibi. The art of the deal echoes loud and clear. Stakes and ties and slogans always near. Orange tide rolling through the night. Hair like a crown running by. Love or hate, but you can't deny. This man's a Twitter bird ready to fly.
Okay, nice. Now let's listen to the second one.
Old towers rise to the sky so high. Big hands crafting deals, no alibi. The art of the deal echoes loud and clear. Stakes and ties and slogans always near. Tide rolling through the night. Hair like a crown, burning bright.
I like this one better because the first one starts off way too sad. So yeah, download the one you like most. Next up, we will transform the song in a way that Donald Trump is singing it. So let's head to the White House and record the song with Donald. Okay, yeah, that would take a lot of time. So instead we will use Jammable. Click the link in the description and let's go to Jammable. It is a very amazing, free-to-use AI cover tool, just perfect for us to create the Donald Trump song. Now log in or sign up there and now search for Donald Trump. Now I will use this voice because it has the most uses, and it normally implicates that it is the best voice with the best quality. But if you aren't sure which one is the best, you can always listen to the preview. Now click on Choose Song. Now upload the Suno song. Press Next Step. We will leave everything as default. Press Convert to continue. Now it will generate the AI cover, and this will take around 1 minute. Okay, here it is. Let's have a listen.
Old towers rise to the sky so high. Big hands crafting deals, no alibi.
That sounds almost perfect. Let's download the acapella and instrumental separately so we can tweak it some more in post. Now open a new CapCut project, drop the instrumental and acapella in there and put them on top of each other, like this. Click on the acapella and on the top right, go to Voice Changer. Now I will add this echo or reverb effect and adjust the strength a bit. Now you can also choose to lower or higher the volume of the acapella. Simply listen and decide for yourself what sounds best. Okay? Now copy the lyrics from the Suno song like this. Now go to ChatGPT and ask, please give me an image prompt in text form to illustrate this Donald Trump song with this lyrics. And now add the Suno lyrics. Perfect. Now copy that image prompt and go to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator where you get daily 150 credits. Let's add the prompt and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate the image. This will take less than 30 seconds. Here are the results. Amazing. Now download the one you like most and add it to CapCut. Now here comes a trick. Mute the a cappella and instrumental tracks. Now add the original Suno song. Now go to Captions and to Auto Lyrics and press Generate. This way we will have clear lyrics. Now choose a nice template and delete the Suno song and unmute the a cappella and instrumental. Now I will choose a nice effect for the image. Simply do what you like here. Let's also add some nightclub effect. Last but not least, add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Donald Trump songs with AI and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never ever miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Old towers rise to the sky so high. Big hands crafting deals, no alibi. The art of the deal echoes loud and clear. Stakes and ties and slogans always near. Or side, rolling through the night. Chair like a cloud, burning violet and bright. Love or hate, but you can't deny. This man's its way to burn, ready to fly. Keith Lacey's the king of Malaco sand. With golf carts rolling his king of brand. Fingers sharpened to some can't stand. Though the walls stand waiting with a tidy hand. Over side, rolling through the night. Hair like the crowd, burning violet and bright. Love or hate, but you can't deny. This man's its way to burn, ready to fly. He claims he's a king of Mar-a-Lago sand.
golf folks ruling his king bread. Fingers tight and through sun can't stare. To the walls then waiting with a tiny hand. Oh, his side rolling through the night. Care like a cloud